Good people, what's up? Let's go. This is the School of Hard Knocks with Mr. Motivation. Tap in, classes in session. Mr. Motivation.
You're not lazy, you're exhausted from trying to please everybody, from pretending you're okay, from living up to invisible expectations. Burnout isn't about how much you're doing. It's about how disconnected you've become from what fuels you. I encourage you, come back to yourself. Your passion didn't die. It just needs space to breathe.
Class is dismissed, but the growth doesn't stop here. Make sure to subscribe to the Breakthrough Bunker Substack for your weekly dose of motivation. And don't forget to visit www.mr-motivation.com to stay connected. And do remember, it's all about you.